Hi.
Wow!
I know, there's a stone in it. Okay, wait, this is where we shot the Was Up.
Oh yeah, we shot the Was Up video right here. Oh, you see all of our crap? Yeah, my neighbor wants me to cut out 100. Ow!
Lexi,
as I hit my head on that. 120 of these thingies. We have. Ow, that hurt.
I know.
How many of these things do we have?
A lot.
A lot. Okay. So we went to the Justin Bieber concert.
We went to the Justin Bieber concert. As I just screamed. Hi. How you doing?
Well, the neighbors are out. Don't scream anymore.
I can't scream. There's people outside.
Let's go down the slide.
Go down the slide. Oh, let's go down the slide.
Ready? Going down the slide.
Go down the slide. Slide's over here. You have to wait a second. Hang on.
Here, you want to see the slide? Ta-da! That's where we're going as. Ow. This mulch. As I fall. Okay, here's their dog's chain.
That's clothesline.
It's a dog chain thingy. Alright, who's going down the slide first? As you can see, this is a death slide we're going down. Really not that scary. Okay, one of the kids are looking at us. Ah, Justin Bieber.
I'm just kidding.
Okay. Ready? Watch me climb. As I fall.
That was something funny on camera.
No, yeah, no. Yes? Yes? I didn't take him out. As I climb up this.
Okay, ready?
I am too big for this, Caitlin.
That's okay. If I'm not too big, then you're not too big. I love playing with little kid stuff. Hi, children.
Do not try this at home. This could be very dangerous.
It's just a slide. I'm going to take the camera down with me so you guys can actually see what the heck I'm doing. Okay, ready? Hang on. Look, there's Lexi. She's going to, like, to the bottom. That's the slide. Now we're outside. Wasn't that fun? That was so fun, wasn't it?
Wait, my turn. Okay. Look how high we are. Look, there's Caitlin. Let's zoom in on Caitlin.
Hi!
Justin Bieber. Why don't you fall like Lexi did?
No.
Alright. Oh wait, I'm gonna smash my phone.
Do it here.
Ready? Well, this video is gonna make people dizzy.
That's okay.
Okay, ready? Catch it.
Ah!
I don't know if you can see that. Okay, ready? Does it hurt?
No.
It's gonna hurt my butt. I'm afraid.
Just go. It's not that bad.
Yeah. Is it dirty?
No. I cleaned it off with my butt. Just go. See?
I landed on rocks.
Oh.
Look at these rocks. See those? That's where I landed on. Look at my tattoo. And my purple toes.
Hello, how you doing?
Caitlin, go flip.
Flip on. I don't know how to flip.
I'll flip then.
Good.
Okay, ready? Record me flipping.
Okay.
I'm like bigger than this thing.
Just gonna
Flip. Just remember how I can do it, but not on that kind.
You have to like swing and then
Yeah.
like. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
You're gonna record this and I'm gonna fail.
Just go. The viewers are watching you. Our fans are watching her.
Of the 2 fans that we have. I can't do it. I'm too big.
Just go.
I can't. I'm too big.
Just go.
How about I just climb it?
That's fine. There we go. See how skilled that is?
Ashley! We're making a video. Ow, ow.
That's Ash. Hi!
Hi. Ashley, can you flip on this thing? I'm gonna hit my head.
She's going to do a trick on this. Wait, not you.
I am swinging.
Takes talent to do that.
I am going to hit.
Whatever.
We're recording a video for our YouTube channel for our fans.
Yeah, we have 2 fans. 2.
Am I gonna hit my head? Ow, this is really hurting my butt.
Get off.
Ooh.
Now flip over.
Ow.
Flip yourself out. See? That wasn't hard, was it? Lexi's butt. Just kidding.
Well, I told you I'm too big.
I want to stand on the swings.
Oh, I'm dizzy.
Hold this. Ready? Smile, Ash. Let's not smile. Ow, I hurt my head.
I'm sorry. You're not able to take your call right now. Whoa!
Is my phone vibrating?
No.
Oh.
I just kind of felt like falling off. Okay, wait, ready? I don't know how well this is going to go over, but... This is so weird.
It's 4 minutes long.
4 minutes!
Alright, Ashley, say hi. Where's Abby?
In the room.
Oh, what is she doing in the room? She putting on makeup?